In this podcast, we're going to discuss web optimization. Optimization is the process of improving quality. When I talk about web optimization, I'm specifically talking about the technical things that we do as web developers to speed up the load times of our websites. So, why do we need to be concerned with optimization? Well, let's consider the user. Often, a site that takes too long to load will affect the user experience. They're likely to leave the page sooner than you want them to because it's taking too long to load. But there are some other benefits to optimizing our website. Our web pages will be better indexed in Google if we have faster load times. So we have higher visibility on the internet with optimized web pages, quicker load times, and of course, with quicker load times, there's a decrease in file size, which takes up less storage space on the server. Less bandwidth is needed to process the file. Less storage and bandwidth means hosting costs are decreased, and faster file and page loads correlate to a positive visitor experience, which can lead to more visits. Images contribute to file size, and so we're going to talk about specifically graphic optimization. Compressed images will reduce our load time and increase the positive experience of our web visitors. And in web page compression, it's important to strike a balance between the image size and the image quality. So here are the most widely used graphic file formats in web page design. We have a GIF or GIF, which has the file extension .gif. And this is a graphic information format. And GIFs or GIFs displays up to 256 colors, and they are best used for images with few colors and transparent backgrounds. GIFs can also be animated. An animated GIF is a single file with many picture frames. This format is best used for smaller images or images with less colors or less detail. And when you want to have a graphic with a transparent background so that the background shows through the image in those transparent places, this is the file format to go with. We also have the JPEG with file extension .jpg, and that stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group. A JPEG file can display up to 16 million colors. Supports variable compression. With more compression comes a loss of image quality. What I was talking about, how to strike that balance between file size and image quality. And the JPEG file format is best for images with lots of colors and details, such as photographs. The PNG or PNG file extension stands for Progressive Network Graphics. This is the newest web graphic format, and it may not be supported by older browsers. But the good thing about PNG files is that they can display millions of colors as well as transparency. Although PNG graphics are not widely used, this format was created to blend together the best of both the JPEG and the GIF. optimization tools. Dynamic Drive is an online image optimizer where you simply would enter the URL of an image or upload one from your computer. The Web Page Analyzer will analyze a URL or your HTML markup. And GTmetrix will analyze the performance of a web page and offer suggestions for improved web performance. Remember, optimization is best practice when developing your web page. It produces faster loading times and increased web visibility, as well as a pleasurable visitor experience.